Hello, cloud architects. If you are experienced with AWS and want to learn about the cloud platform, then this course is for you. If not, we recommend you to take our Fundamentals or Systems Operations courses. In this course, we focus on the four main pillars of cloud architecture, including networking, compute, storage, and databases. Our goal is to compare the similarities and differences in cloud platform and give you an opportunity to configure them. If you want to do the labs, you'll need a free GCP trial account. To get one, go to the link shown here. There's also an online article that goes into more details, including quotas and pricing. To begin, let's look at how Google builds and manages its cloud infrastructure and makes these tools available to you as a customer. At its core, Google operates a global infrastructure of interconnected data centers. They are spread around the world for low latency, grouped together in close proximity for redundancy, and connected by high-speed interconnects so they operate as a single unit. Each group of data centers in close proximity is called a region, and each data center within a region is called a zone. Data centers are physically separated with independent power grids, cooling systems, and internet connections. This is similar to Amazon, but they call them regions and availability zones. Then, cloud services are deployed into the data centers. Some resources are deployed globally, some are deployed within a region, and some are deployed within a zone. Branching out from data centers, Google and Amazon have many more edge locations around the world. However, Google and Amazon use edge locations differently. Amazon uses edge locations as a content delivery network, or CDN, called CloudFront, to cache static content close to end users. Google uses them for two purposes: to cache static content as a content delivery network called Cloud CDN, and to provide points of presence, or POPs, that connect Google's network to the rest of the internet. POPs allow customers to connect to enterprise-grade connections with higher service level agreements, or SLAs, and reduced egress costs than standard internet connections. POPs extend the reach of Google's network even farther than their edge locations. This service is called Cloud Interconnect, and it allows customers to peer directly with Google's infrastructure or through select regional carriers, and it allows select CDN providers to peer with Google and cache content even further out into their edge networks, thus expanding the scope of CDN coverage. Here is a complete picture of Google's cloud network with high-speed fiber network paths in gray, points of presence in yellow, and current regions with number of zones in green. The committed regions for 2017 and number of zones are in blue. Most notable expansions are nearly tripling the number of regions and coverage on 2 new continents and the Indian subcontinent. On top of this global infrastructure, Cloud Platform offers resources that you configure to meet your IT needs. Like AWS, the 4 main resources that you can configure are networking, compute, storage, and databases. Networking and compute are provided so you can deploy virtual servers in virtual networks and install and run your own software on them. You need to manage the servers like you would real machines. You need to scale up and down as needed and install patches. Storage and databases are provided to you as serverless services so you can host files and relational data in the cloud. Because they're serverless, all you do is import and export your data and database routines. Here is a list of key terms that we've introduced in this module. Now let's move on to set up an account with billing so you can start deploying resources.